Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got another bag tour for you, and today's bag is this beautiful Beaumont Satchel. As you can see, this bag looks like it was barely used, so it's still in really beautiful condition, and it kind of reminds me of a doctor bag. And it has these nice convenient top handles, so you could carry it as a top handle bag or on your arm. Or it also has a crossbody strap, so you could easily carry it as a shoulder crossbody bag as well. So we would just connect the strap to the side rings, and then you could carry it as a crossbody bag if you like. So it's pretty versatile. I'll go ahead and give you a better view of the entire bag now that I've got this strap disconnected. So here's the front, and then the side, and then the other side, and then I'll go ahead and show you the bottom. It does have these purse feet on the bottom. So it's also got a zip closure. And then this is the interior of the bag. It does have a flap pocket that pulls out. That also has, the flap pocket has a zip closure as well, and then of course the creeds there. I'll show you a photo of the creed so you can see it better. But anyway, that's the Beaumont Satchel. It's a really beautiful bag. If you're interested in checking it out further, I'll of course link it below in our Etsy shop. Otherwise, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.